pagdating kasi diyan sa party list, there are so many party lists that that within a family, no, pwede namang hindi kayo mag-block voting sa party list eh. Pwede kayong maghati-hati diyan. Like for example, si Ipano for party list, yan si ano no, Attorney Marlon Bosantog at saka si Doc Lorraine Badoy. So yan, Bisaya Gyud, PPP are also Duterte endorsed party list, Duterte Youth, mga Duterte endorsed party list yung mga yan. Hindi ko alam yung iba pero marami pa daw eh, marami pang iba na yung sectoral talaga na Duterte Duterte endorsed na party list. Ngayon, I think there are also party lists na not necessarily Duterte endorsed, but I hope they win also. Yung P3PWD ni Rowena Guanzon, why do I want her to be there? Kasi yan consistent yan na ano eh, at least fiscalizer yan eh, si Rowena Guanzon eh. And si BH party list, Bernadette Herrera D. Si BH party list, okay, yan ano yan, yellow yan. Pero makita mo yung performance niya sa House of Representatives. She's really ano no, she's also a fiscalizer. Ganon. Fair siya, yung kumbaga tinitingnan niya yung issue and she really debates and well on certain issues and she makes her stand very clear. Tapos hindi siya hindi siya utos-utosan at sumusunod lang sa script. Ayan. So yun, yung si BH party list at saka si P3PWD, not necessarily mga Duterte. Eh kasi sa ano naman, pag party list naman kasi kailangan nyo marami dyan eh. So okay ako dyan kahit hindi Duterte, Duterte aligned. As long as may track record na. Kasi you're talking about 300 plus seats in Congress. So as long as yung mga seats na yon are going to be occupied by people na hindi magpapatuta, 'di ba? Go yan.